Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk Easy English. Today, we have a special listening story about one of the greatest football players in the world, Cristiano Ronaldo, also known as CR7. Let's listen carefully and learn English while discovering his amazing journey.
Cristiano Ronaldo, also known as CR7, is one of the greatest football players in the world. He was born on February 5, 1985, on the small island of Madeira, Portugal. When Ronaldo was a young boy, he loved football more than anything else. He started playing when he was only 8 years old. He practiced every day, sometimes before school, sometimes after school. He dreamed of becoming a professional football player. When he was 12 years old, he left his home island and went to Lisbon to join a football academy. It was very hard for him because he was far away from his family. But he never gave up. He trained very hard and always believed in himself. At the age of 16, Ronaldo played his first professional game for Sporting Lisbon. Very soon, he became famous for his amazing speed and skills. In 2003, he joined Manchester United in England. Under the coach Sir Alex Ferguson, Ronaldo became stronger and more confident. He helped the team win many trophies, including the Champions League in 2008. After that, Ronaldo moved to Real Madrid, where he became a football legend. He scored more than 450 goals for the club, a record that many players can only dream of. He won 5 Ballon d'Or awards, given to the best player in the world. Later, he also played for Juventus in Italy and then returned to Manchester United again before joining Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. Off the field, Ronaldo is known for his discipline, kindness, and hard work. He helps poor children and donates to hospitals. Many people around the world admire him, not just for football, but for his strong spirit. Ronaldo's story teaches us that success comes from hard work, confidence, and never giving up. He once said, "If you don't believe you are the best, then you will never achieve all that you are capable of."
Great job, everyone. You just listened to the inspiring story of Cristiano Ronaldo. Remember, success comes from hard work, confidence, and never giving up. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English listening videos. See you in the next one.